On March 30, 2025, the Danish government introduced a sweeping initiative aimed at modernizing its naval forces in response to emerging security challenges and rapid technological shifts. This multifaceted strategy encompasses both short-term acquisitions and long-range investments, ensuring the continued strength of the Royal Danish Navy. Defense Minister Troels Lund Poulsen emphasized the necessity of these enhancements, citing escalating geopolitical tensions, particularly with Russia, and the need for a proactive defense posture. A core aspect of Denmark's maritime upgrade plan focuses on addressing pressing security concerns. A major priority is safeguarding underwater infrastructure, such as energy and data transmission networks spanning Danish waters. To this end, the government plans to procure a specialized vessel equipped with advanced drones and sonar technology to monitor and deter potential threats beneath the surface. Additionally, a new initiative is being launched to expand the use of unmanned systems, including underwater drones, to strengthen surveillance capabilities in Denmark's maritime domain. Further, the Naval Home Guard is set to receive 21 new vessels to replace its aging fleet. These modernized ships will enhance Denmark's ability to conduct coastal patrols, provide port security, manage environmental incidents, and support emergency rescue operations. Complementing this effort, 4 new maritime environmental response vessels will be introduced, primarily for oil spill management but also capable of performing mine laying, personnel training, and reconnaissance duties. Minister for Civil Security and Emergency Preparedness Torsten Schack Petersen underscored the importance of updating the fleet, particularly in light of increasing global security challenges. In addition, Denmark plans to bolster its naval defenses by acquiring sea mines, expected to be operational between 2027 and 2029. These measures align with NATO's strategic goals for Denmark and reflect an increased emphasis on securing maritime supply routes and enhancing rapid response capabilities. Denmark is concurrently making significant investments in its Arctic and North Atlantic naval presence, with approximately 14.6 billion DKK, $2.05 billion, allocated to expanding its operational reach in these critical regions. The initiative includes the acquisition of 3 Arctic-class naval vessels, long-range drones, and advanced satellite systems, all developed in coordination with Greenland and the Faroe Islands. The government has stressed the urgency of these upgrades to ensure Denmark remains a key player in the region's evolving security landscape. Alongside immediate enhancements, the Danish government is laying the groundwork for future naval advancements. A major component of this long-term strategy is planning the eventual replacement of the Iver Huitfeldt-class frigates, which are expected to remain in service for another decade. Discussions are already underway to determine the specifications and procurement strategies for the next generation of surface combatants, including Arctic-optimized vessels and advanced air defense frigates. A key consideration in this modernization plan is the potential for domestic shipbuilding. The government is evaluating whether new naval vessels could be constructed within Denmark, leveraging its robust maritime industry. This approach would not only boost the national economy but also enhance Denmark's ability to sustain and develop critical naval capabilities. To further expand its Arctic operational capabilities, Denmark is exploring options for acquiring or sharing icebreaker vessels through international partnerships. This would enable enhanced mobility in Arctic waters and complement the nation's broader defense strategy in the High North. Recognizing the need for rapid implementation, the Danish government has proposed a substantial acceleration fund, allocating 50 billion DKK, $7 billion USD, between 2025 and 2026 to expedite military investments. This infusion of funds is designed to meet NATO's defense commitments and raise Denmark's military spending above 3% of GDP. Through this comprehensive naval modernization effort, Denmark is reaffirming its commitment to maritime security, regional stability, and the protection of its national interests in an increasingly uncertain global environment.